we started Manufacturing Day because we realized that the way manufacturing was marketed was wrong.
Manufacturing today is not what manufacturing was 10 years ago or 20 years ago.
Most people, when they think manufacturing, they think of hot conditions, it's dark and it's dirty and it's dangerous.
And it's not like that anymore, right?
The manufacturing of old is not the manufacturing of today and tomorrow.
If you move from the industrial age to the technological age to now the artificial age, it means that we have to learn some new competencies.
The way we make things better is by learning new skills, not by doing things the way they've always been done.
So our young people are really ready to take us to the next level.
They're already so literate with technology.
The same way we saw computers creating a lot of jobs by giving people tools. Automation helps take things that are very, very tedious and automate those.
The concept of just doing this one thing all day long the same exact way, that's what a robot does now.
One myth that needs to be changed is that technology, automation, robotics, and now even AI is going to replace people. The companies that we see that are making those investments and those technologies and capabilities are the ones that are growing, creating more jobs, better paying jobs.
What it's really doing is freeing up workers to be more creative and develop new products in faster and better ways that they couldn't do otherwise.
So one of the cool things about manufacturing is that there are all the careers needed in every company.
You can do science, you can do engineering, you can do art. You learned how to program using video games. You want to make hearts for those injured soldiers that are on the battlefield that have lost their heart. Whatever it is you're excited about, they have need for that in the workforce, especially in advanced manufacturing.
We have to find a way to tell that story to children and adults alike so that they know the opportunities exist and that they belong in those spaces too.
I have hope for the future because the teenagers that I know today want to make this world even better.
With some really good training, a little bit of passion, and wanting to make some money, you can get into these roles.
But we have to start somewhere as a way to engage students and parents and teachers and counselors and companies.
The best way to see yourself into what the future can be is to go there and visit. Every day is Manufacturing Day, but one day a year we say that's going to be the pinnacle of Manufacturing Day.
The first Friday of every October is Manufacturing Day. Folks can walk in freely and get to touch and feel manufacturing.
It is the coolest thing. They are bright-eyed. They're looking all around. They're like, what does this do? What does that do? I didn't know you could do this with the robots. You mean I can code here just like in Minecraft? They see things they didn't know existed. If you've never been to Manufacturing Day, you have to go.
Don't believe what I'm saying. Just go out and see it yourself.